I'm Kalpana, chemistry faculty. Let me explain you today acidic character in aromatic carboxylic acid. The thing that I'm going to explain you further is about the ortho effect. Explain you about ortho effect, which we see it in aromatic carboxylic acids. You might have come across in many books saying that when any group is attached at ortho position of benzoic acid, they are found to be much more acidic when compared to benzoic acid itself, irrespective of the nature of the group attached. Now let me take benzoic acid. This is benzoic acid. When I have a group attached at this position, which we call it as ortho, they are found to be much more acidic than benzoic acid itself, irrespective of the group at present at ortho position. Let it be a plus I group, let it be a minus I group, let it be a plus M or the minus M group. Irrespective of the nature, any group when present at ortho position increases the acidic character of benzoic acid itself. Now, what exactly is ortho effect? Now, when do we call any substance as an acid is when the H plus ion is given out very easily. Now, in benzoic acid, the carboxylic acid group is in plane with benzene. As it is in plane with benzene, it will be involved in resonance and the H plus ion is not given out easily. So, any group which is present at ortho position will inhibit the resonance in benzoic acid. Let me repeat. Any group which is present at ortho position will hinder the resonance in benzoic acid. When there is a hindrance in resonance of benzoic acid, the H plus ion will be given out more easily. This we call it as ortho effect. Any group which is present at ortho position, irrespective of the nature of the group, will prevent carboxylic acid group to be in resonance with benzene so that the H plus ion can be given out more easily. So let me take orthomethyl benzoic acid. Now what is the nature of methyl group? Methyl group is plus I group. What does plus I group do? It will push the bonded pair of electrons towards the benzene. So whenever a plus I group is present, it will decrease the acidic character. And not only the plus I, it also exhibits hyperconjugation. Groups which are either plus I, which exhibits hyperconjugation, will reduce the acidic character. But still, methyl group when present at ortho position is increasing the acidic character of benzoic acid. Why? When compared to benzoic acid itself is because this group will push the benzoic acid carboxylic group out of plane of benzene so that resonance is prevented, it becomes more acidic. So when I compare the acidic character of these two, orthomethyl benzoic acid is found to be more acidic than benzoic acid itself. Now if I introduce a nitro group will pull the bonded pair of electrons towards itself. So it exhibits minus I group. It is minus I group. So minus I group will always increase the acidic character. So irrespective of its position, this is found to be more acidic than the other two examples. So this would be among the examples that I have listed. Orthonitrobenzoic acid is more acidic. Then it would be orthomethyl and the last one would be benzoic acid itself. Now any group when present at ortho position will push the carboxylic acid out of plane of benzene, which prevents carboxylic acid to be in resonance with benzene.